go. Now we're recording. Look at them pretty lights. Yeah. Downwind landing. Or takeoff, I mean.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was going to do.
I can't see at all with the viewfinder, so I'm just going to line up the camera.
Yeah,
they're bright. Yeah. That's handling the wind pretty good.
There's hands off. She's handling the wind by herself.
Wow. Good stabilization, that's for sure.
Yeah. Look at that. No. Hands off. She's handling all that wind by herself.
You're such a good pilot, Terry.
Yeah, I know. Go down. Oh, yeah, I know that. Yeah. Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
But it's not jerking around like the wing or like mine because of stabilization.
Yeah.
It counters the wind faster than you can.
Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Well, it's doing a little bit of wiggling.
Yeah, but it's not very heavy.
No.
It's like
Yeah, if you had no stabilization, that thing would probably be a handful.
a third of the weight that me and Rick's plane weighs. I think 3 of them, Terry, to make up the weight that my wing.
Yeah, it really does. For a close one, Rick. Ain't that something?
Yeah, I like that.
Look how slow. Look how slow it's going.
What should you pay?
109, I think.
Yeah.
That's RTF. Ready to fly?
Yeah. Yeah, it's ready to go.
Has its own controller. Or you had to bind it.
What's that? No, it comes with a controller.
Oh. Not bad with all that technology. Oh, lost it for a second.
Look at that. Terry's doing tricks. I wasn't going to do anything tonight.
That holds it itself, right? Like you press the button and
you still got a throttle, yeah.
Right, but
yeah,
it holds it its own.
Yeah, that's right. I just press the button.
What's his name there from Australia? He used to do that himself.
Yeah, hover mode.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. You take off that way too?
Yes.
Yeah.
And land?
Yep. Yep, but not in this wind.
No.
It won't stand up by itself, right?
Yeah, you try to do it landing or takeoff in this wind at that mode, you're just going to tip. Okay, I lost you there. There you are.
The lights on it?
Oh, you're trying to break my back, aren't you?
You got to put them on, but they come with it. Yeah. And they plug in underneath inside the battery hatch. All right, I'm going to come around and come in.
I'm glad. My hand is frozen to your camera again.
I figured you were getting tired.
Well, not so much tired, my hand froze.
Here we come.
It's colder than it looks here.
Oh, a little hard.
Hey, well, that was almost a vertical landing.